happened to you?
Silas. He attacked me. He stabbed me with the white oak stake. A piece of it is still inside me.
Oh my God, Klaus, that could kill you.
Well, I certainly feel like I'm dying.
As much as I would love to watch you die, you still haven't found me that cure.
Silas!
That's right. Last night I looked like Shane, today I look like Caroline, and tomorrow, who knows?
Show me your real face.
Now why would I do that when I can look like whomever I want you to see? Resist me all you want, Klaus, but until you bring me the cure, I will bring you nothing but misery.